Alright guys, so today here we have a wig named Dayana. This wig is from Hairsoflyshop.com, of course. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. It is synthetic, it is not human hair wig, but it feels very great. It has a great yucky texture. And so today I'm going to be showing you how I pluck the hairline. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I go ahead and do is I kind of analyze what the frontal is looking like so far, and I definitely want to get rid of those lines of demarcation that you see and pluck it so it's a little bit thin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a good set of tweezers and a comb, and I'm going to start to part the very first part front of the hairline back, and then the idea is to pluck and skip, okay? And so you do want to make sure that you're looking, um, combing your wig out to see what it's looking like. And so this is all that I'm just going to be showing you how to do. Obviously, I am not going to talk the entire video because that gets kind of boring. So as you can see, I'm just combing the hair back to see where I want to start. Typically, I start on the side of the hairline. I don't start in the front forehead area. And so now I'm just taking a thin layer, parting it back, and then I'm just going to continually pluck and skip until the lace front looks kind of just thinner than what it was. His hair is really, really thick, but you can see that is really, really nice. And you can see how thick the hairline is right now. And so I'm just going to pluck it until it starts to look a tad bit more natural than what it does before I install it later. So I will say, when I was plucking this unit, I had to put a little bit of force, not enough to where you don't want to tear the lace, but eventually you'll see me like kind of plucking a little bit hard. I'm not being rough on the lace, but just be careful because sometimes it can be hard to pluck those hairs out. And so that's what you'll see. I definitely recommend, like, if you don't feel like tweezing for 30 minutes, you can easily like kind of knot and pull them out with your fingers. But tweezing just works for me. That way I don't create bald spots. Because I think if you're twirling and pulling with your fingers, it's easy to create bald spots, and that's not what you want. And so as you can see, like I just said before, I'm just plucking and skipping, and I'm just gonna pluck. Like I said, I am not gonna talk this entire video, you guys, because that gets extremely, extremely boring. And then we'll just come back at the end. so obviously I went ahead and installed the wig off camera. So let me bring it all the way to the front. So this is what the wig is like. It's okay. So first impressions, you definitely have to pluck the hairline if you want more of a natural look. Obviously I wouldn't wear my hair back to show the hairline because it's not more of a natural lace looking hairline. Also for me, if you like really thick wigs, this is definitely the wig for you. I think this is a little bit thick to me, and it kind of is a little wiggy, but I think you can make it kind of work. So like even for me, I probably prefer the wig like being behind my ears. It does come with an adjustable strap and the adjustable straps in the back, so you can tighten or loosen your wig however you prefer. And it also comes with 3 combs. Typically I cut out the middle comb because there's always a middle comb right here. I cut that out because it always kind of tugs on my hair and that doesn't feel good for me. But it's great if you want to secure your wig without having to use like Got To Be Freeze spray or glue or anything else. But that's pretty much it. The texture of the wig is kind of more of a kinky type feel, and you can kind of see it's more of a kinky type feel. If I were to like really wear this, I'd go in with like a flat iron and try to smooth it out a little bit because I preferably like more of a silky look. On me, this wig is probably like 24 inches on me. It's really long, and as you guys can see, it's really thick, very full. But I mean, I still love the brand. I would definitely recommend this wig. If I were to rate it out of 10, I'd probably give it a like 5 or a 6, but that's just for me. But as far as I'll say the quality of the wig, it's like a 6 or a 7. I think it's pretty good. The lace isn't irritating. I think it's easy to blend it in with your skin. I think I blended it in better rather than the last wig that I just reviewed from there. So, but granted, those are 2 different type of laces as well. So that's also something that you have to take into consideration. But other than that, I hope you guys learn how to pluck your hairlines of your wigs, whether it be synthetic or a human hair wig. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit that notification bell button. That way you know every time I post. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. It's called It's Kelly Kells. And I hope you guys enjoy your wonderful day. And bye.